everyone, Jessica here, and I wanted to give you a little personal message to let you guys know that you All Access members right now have the pre-release access to my latest brushes that I just finished. And some of you follow me on my Facebook, on the Facebook group or Instagram, and you know I have been in the middle of a move and dealing with some really terrible back pain. And it's been crazy, but I have been powering through, and I just finished this set of brushes with that Impressionist technique, that the Impressionist portrait technique that I have been previewing on Instagram. And I think you guys are going to really be excited, and you guys are the first to have access. It's not available for sale. And what it is that you can simply paint in pictures, and I think it's going to be a really revolutionary technique. And below I'm going to have a download link, and I'm also going to have a link to my tutorial video. And until it's available for sale, I just ask that you not share any process shots or screenshots of you working with the brushes, because they're not released yet. But you can go ahead and use them. If you want, share the things that you're making with them, and you can tag me on Instagram or Facebook, Creators Couture. And if you have a second after you guys, after you try out the brushes, if you want to leave some feedback or leave a message, if you like them, just if you feel like leaving a review, if you could leave it on my Facebook page, that would be great, so it's public. And let me know what you think, and that will be good for me as well to show other people about my products. So just feel free to check it out, and I'm going to follow up. But like I said, they're not available for sale yet. But I'm really excited to have this as like a member exclusive. So just as a thank you to my members, the product is done, the technique is done. I have been fine-tuning these brushes forever, and I am so happy with how they turned out. And there is, I have a tutorial, but the tutorial I only use 5 of my brushes. But yeah, I think you'll understand everything. If you have any questions, just put them down below the tutorial, but I think it's good. And I just look forward to your feedback. Let me know how everything's going with them. And I'm going to be releasing them as soon as I can, but I'm still working on videos and images and everything. But like I said, I want members to have early access. And what else? Yeah, I'm just very excited to share the technique. And also a little thing that I'm really excited about is that this technique is going to be featured on an Adobe blog sometime soon. So I'm so excited that someone from Adobe reached out, but you're going to be able to see this before it's even released or on a blog. So I'm super excited and so proud, and hopefully all the hard work will pay off. And what's cool is that you guys get to check out this technique, and I think it's going to be so much fun. There's so many applications, and it can be a real game changer. So I look forward to you guys using the brushes, and just giving you guys a little hello from France. And yeah, enjoy the brushes, and comment below or on the tutorial video, and hope you guys enjoy them and enjoy the early access.